Hey guys, Christopher Yaks here, Aquascapes, Michiana. You ready to love your backyard? Building the dreams that you didn't know you had, one boulder at a time. We have water flowing. I know you guys can hear that in the background, but yeah, we got water flowing. We are done with a 2-day build. We got a little bit of finishing to do on Monday, but we have other work to do here on the property. But we have the waterfall done. It is flowing. She is gonna have it for the weekend. And this thing looks freaking awesome. Let me go ahead and flip you guys around and show you what we did. Bam. Just nice, simple, pondless waterfall. Went ahead and found a log out in the woods and put the log in there as a splitter. I think that looks absolutely fantastic. The way that it, there's actually a hole in the center and I put some foam in it so the water spills in and then kind of comes out all the sides. I just think that looks so cool. Got this nice huge drop with a nice streak of some type of black. I don't know what that is. That's a granite boulder, but it's got some black. It's got a huge black streak through it. That was really cool. We got a nice red boulder on the right. We got a nice blue boulder on the left. Already foamed in some moss so we can start growing it. We got this nice drop right here to start everything. Nice triple drop right here. We're gonna need to cover that vault cover here in a minute. Walking up the side here. You know me, guys, I really like putting logs somewhere in the water feature. I think it brings in another aspect of nature instead of just stone, 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 rock, 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 you know. Bringing in some wood like this, I really think helps out with the aesthetics of the pond itself. So this is where she kind of hangs out all the time. So now she has got 3 drops to look at while she's eating dinner, entertaining, having fun with company over. And then if you follow me, we go yonder this way. We go up her steps, a little bit of backfill. And then this is her door basically. This is kind of her front door. And she has a fire pit here. Really likes to have people over, many people at a time to enjoy the fire pit and all that kind of stuff. And we gave her another drop right there and another drop right there. So we got 2 drops up here with that nice babbling brook sound for the fire pit area and the roar and the rushing of the triple drop for her while she's up there on her top patio, hanging out, chilling out, doing her thing. So great thing is we got a lake that's actually right there, and now we've got a water feature right here. So to all those people that say, well, I live on water, you know, I live on a lake, that doesn't make this sound. It does not. That is standstill water. That does not make this sound. We're gonna church that up on Monday as well. We got a little bit more finishing. I really wanted to see if I was as good as I had told her and if it was gonna leak or not. So I left a couple things unfinished because I knew I had a couple potential areas where we could have some issues. I wanted to double check on those issues before I went ahead and finished it, and then I had to rip it all out and all that kind of stuff. But in true master certified aquascape fashion, I had no leaks, none, 0, absolutely nothing. So got this thing up and running for her. She's gonna enjoy it for the weekend. We're gonna come back Monday and continue on the other work we've got to do on her property and get the rest of that looking absolutely amazing. So I'm tired. I'm going home. I'll catch you guys later.